Ever wanted to make a design so fresh it looks like it belongs in a vault? Today we're using AI to create a gold-plated diamond-encrusted letter A, turning it into a DTF transfer and pressing it out onto a hat for that luxury style. Stick around, you don't want to miss this one. First, we're jumping into Chico, one of my favorite graphic design program tools. So we're gonna go on Chico, we're just gonna go straight to it, new projects. And in the new projects, it's gonna give us a whole options menu. On the units, we're doing inches. And since we're not gonna go so big on the size, we're doing 5 inches for the width and 5 inches on the height. And then DPI is obviously gonna be 300. And we're set. Now we're gonna go to the image generator. To make a good image, you just have to be very detailed. And that's even giving a prompt for an AI image generator to give you a good image. So for our prompt, we put the letter A, and it's gonna be gold-plated lettering. After that, we know that we want it to be having diamonds within the lettering. So we put with encrusted diamonds, and make it easier to get the background out, we put with white background. I know I put a lot of widths in this prompt, but hopefully, again, it's just enough so they can understand. I don't think it really has to be fully appropriate, but let's do it. I was also messing with this before I decided to do this video. This was the best prompt I found to give me something like consistent. We're gonna remove the background on this one. It looks all right, but I feel like we could do it a lot better. So we're gonna do it at least, I would say, a good amount of times, maybe 6. See, I like this, but it's not facing the way that I want it to. I mean, we could change that, but we wanna make this as simple and easy as possible. So this one's pretty cool. I feel like it could be a lot more lifelike, a little bit more realistic, I think, but we can see we can mess around with that. So far, I think the font is just plain, but I do like the whole diamond look. Kind of give me like, you found this on the beach. I don't know why you would find a piece of jewelry on the beach like this, but I don't know. Just the diamonds give me a little bit more of like a coral look. I like this one too. I think the only one that I really do dig is because of I think the font makes it look really cool. I like it. We're gonna do it one more time. Let's see, right now the winner for me is this funky one. I like it, but something about it, I don't know. Out of all of these, I think this one's the best. I think it's just the way it looks. It just has this look to it. Let me see if I upscale it. I can make it a little bit more. I still have to enhance it. I can upscale it again. But I just want to see if this would. See, I like the realistic look on this one too. But the diamonds just give me like they're pearls. They're not really like diamonds. And these diamonds are not like crazy either. But I think this would look better on a hat. Guys, I'm too conflicted. I think I'm just gonna go with my gut on this. Leave on the comment below which one would be your favorite, but I think we're gonna go with I'm happy the last one was my second favorite. But let me see if it still does a little fuzzy. See, it's doing a little fuzziness like that on the, I don't know if I like that. It'll still come out pretty good. Let's upscale it real quick. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of clarity on the gold. Oh, so much better, so much better. Kind of scale this up to the artboard to make sure I get, since I've scaled this to 5 inches all around, just want to make sure I get it all to the edge. All right, I'm basically done here, guys. I really am. All right, so we got 300 DPI. Let's remove the background. We don't have to optimize quality and export. We got it done. Next we gotta go is to our website. We're going to go to transfersuperstars.com, and then you're gonna go to transfers, go to DTF transfer gangsheet. And then the first one, 22 by 12, you could always customize it when you're in this program anyways. We're gonna start a brand new one, upload your image. Don't look at the other stuff. So it came out, I around this size. We are just gonna go 2.5, really 2.5 on the height. Okay, well, we'll do that then. And then we'll just duplicate it. This is a 22 by 12. I don't need to make these many hats, but if I was in the business to make a bunch of hats, I would have 32 images to upload for the price of $10. That's pretty good, guys. That's really good. All right, let's go. We're gonna save and add to cart. Check this box and let's get it printed. All right, guys, we got the prints. Let's take a closer look at them. All right, guys, we definitely got a lot of prints here, but we're really just checking out one. So let's just take a good old dive here. It came out really well. Let's just look on the backhand side. Everything came out completely crisp. You don't see anything overbearing on the edges. Everything's in high quality. Yeah, no, this looks great. Let's measure it real quick. We got a good like 2.5. I know that's what we measured it at first, but we really just want to make sure and check. Now, let's cut them up. We got ourselves a good cut. Now, let's present the hat. For today's blank, we are using this 110 Flex Fit snapback black hat. We don't do a lot of hats as our blanks, so I'm actually excited to see how it turns out. And for the heat press, we are actually using the Hotronix hat press. So let's get started. Just gonna take this cover off of the hat. All right, I'm just gonna put this towards the middle. The bottom's just gonna be barely touching the seams, and we really just wanna get this as close to the middle as possible, guys. All right, and I do have some heat press tape. I know I didn't really talk about it, but I do have heat press tape on both sides just so we could keep it in place. So guys, I am feeling a little bit of a gap right on the top here. So just to be safe, we are just gonna put 2 more pieces of heat resistant tape. Perfect. All right, and now we're set to press. And guys, we do pressing for hats the same way we do for shirts. It's just gonna be a 7-second press. There we go. It did not beep because I did forget that I set this up to 20 seconds for a different project. It is extremely hot. I'm actually gonna use a microfiber cloth just so we could cool it down. It would also help to make sure everything adheres. Wow, it definitely feels very solid. So what we are gonna do, since we want that shine effect to still come out, we're going to be using the same sheet, making sure it's on there. One more press. It looks good. It looks really good. Let's take a closer look at it. So you guys see what I'm seeing. You really get the shine from this graphic. Honestly, it did very well on this hat. Perfectly leveled. The shine comes out really nice. And honestly, for a hat, like I could see myself wearing this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. There you guys have it. We made a stunning gold-plated diamond encrusted graphic design made by AI and printed it out with DTF, then pressed it on a hat. Now we have a wearable, printable, sellable design. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We enjoyed making it. And if you guys need a DTF supplier or just trying to replace your existing one, definitely give us a shot. We would love to earn your business. Well, that is it for me for now. If you guys saw value in this video, definitely give us a like and comment for more videos like this. If you would like to give us more support, then click on the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys soon.